Can you believe that two simple foods can help you lose 25 kilograms of fat? It sounds like magic, but it's true. Many people search for complex diets and expensive supplements, yet sometimes the best solutions are the simplest. This essay will explore how oat bran and bananas can be your best friends in weight loss. Weight loss can be a challenging journey. It's filled with ups and downs. But what if there was an easier way? What if the secret to losing weight was already in your kitchen? Oat bran and bananas are not just tasty. They are also powerful tools for burning fat. Oat bran is a type of fiber-rich food. Bananas are known for their energy-boosting properties. Together, they create a potent combination. This duo can help you shed those extra pounds. Let's dive deeper into their benefits. Oat bran is packed with fiber. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system. It helps keep you full for longer periods. This means you eat less and thus consume fewer calories. Oat bran also helps regulate blood sugar levels. This is crucial for maintaining energy and avoiding cravings. Bananas are rich in vitamins and minerals. They contain potassium, which is good for your heart. Bananas also provide a quick source of energy. They are perfect for breakfast or a snack. Plus, they are low in calories, making them a great choice for weight loss. Both oat bran and bananas are easy to incorporate into your diet. You can add oat bran to yogurt or smoothies. Bananas can be eaten on their own or added to cereal. Their versatility makes it easy to enjoy them every day. Moreover, these foods are affordable and accessible. You don't need to spend a fortune to eat healthily. Oat bran and bananas can be found in any grocery store. This makes them a practical option for everyone. How exactly do oat bran and bananas help you lose weight? Let's break it down. First, oat bran contains soluble fiber. This type of fiber absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance in your stomach. It slows down digestion and keeps you feeling full. This reduces your overall calorie intake. Bananas, on the other hand, are low in calories but high in nutrients. They have resistant starch, which acts like fiber. This starch helps you feel full and satisfied. When you feel full, you're less likely to snack on unhealthy foods. This naturally supports weight loss efforts. Together, oat bran and bananas help control your appetite. They stabilize blood sugar levels. This prevents sudden hunger pangs. Both foods are also known to boost metabolism. A higher metabolism means your body burns calories more efficiently. In addition, oat bran and bananas provide sustained energy. This is important for maintaining an active lifestyle. Regular physical activity is key to weight loss. With more energy, you can exercise more and burn more calories. Section 4. A special tip for enhanced results. Want to maximize the benefits of oat bran and bananas? Here's a special tip. Combine them in a smoothie. This is a quick and easy way to enjoy both foods. Simply blend oat bran, a banana, and a cup of milk or a dairy-free alternative. You can also add a splash of honey for extra sweetness. This smoothie is not only delicious but also nutritious. It provides a balanced mix of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Drinking it in the morning can set you up for a successful day. It keeps you full and energized, reducing the temptation to snack. Another tip is to use oat bran as a topping for your cereal or yogurt. This adds extra fiber to your meal. Bananas can be sliced and added to salads or baked goods. Be creative and find ways to integrate these foods into your daily routine. Remember, consistency is key. Make oat bran and bananas a regular part of your diet. Over time, you will notice the positive effects on your weight and overall health. Section 5. Join the conversation. Have you tried using oat bran and bananas for weight loss? What were your results? We would love to hear from you. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Your story might inspire someone else on their weight loss journey. Do you have any questions about incorporating these foods into your diet? Feel free to ask. We are here to help and support you. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Start with oat bran and bananas and see the difference. Let's create a community of health and wellness. Together, we can achieve our weight loss goals. Your feedback and participation are valuable. So, join the conversation today and take the first step towards a healthier you.